Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Range Rover Evoque. The first thing we do, go to Bluetooth, and then we're watching out at the bottom. Over to the screen, audio, video, nav and phone. Click on phone, and you'll see there, that brings up a phone that's already attached, and search new. Vehicle to device. Searching away. Pair his iPhone 15 Pro. To pair and connect phone, enter 5616. 5616. Pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. This chap that's wandering around the forecourt keeps setting my alarm off on the CCTV. Connecting to Barry's iPhone 15 Pro. Phone connected. It's just showing the sat nav's come up there. So that's it all done. There you go.